Can be used in indoor pet house or cat litter box. Very elegant way of concealing the cat litter box. Ventilation holes in the back panel provide excellent air circulation. Wide door opening allows for easy cleaning with simple magnetic closure, 8.5-inch opening. Suitable for most standard-sized litter boxes or small pet beds. CARB Phase 2 compliant wood. Trixie's elegant wooden cat home and litter box is both sturdy and functional, and can be used as an indoor pet house or cat litter box. The attractive and durable varnished wood finish will coordinate with any home decor. Constructed using solid wood with a smooth veneer finish. Quick and easy assembly. All hardware included. 1-year warranty. Dimensions, 19.25 by 20 by 20 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Meets expectations. Was looking for a covered litter box for a public space in our home, visitor-friendly. This meets expectations as it complements the space and is effective in discreetly storing a litter box. The directions were simple enough to follow and assembly was pretty easy.